You gotta be kidding me. Oh, boy.
$11 for chocolate bars, huh?
It's her, but there are puppies.
They're not yours, they're mine.
Give them back.
Hey, these puppies belong to the mother, and the mother belongs to me. So get lost.
You can't have them.
Hey, listen, kiss the puppies goodbye, sweethearts, because you're never going to see them again.
Missy took off with that other big mutt. They hit it at the mountain.
What?
They're a stupid dog.
If I find your stupid dog, you're never going to see him again.
Oh, no.
Give me that mess.
Tate.
We have to tell Mom and Dad.
Find Mommy and Dad. Find Mommy and Dad. Yes. Find Mommy and Dad. It's working. Come on.
You just cooking? What kind of a person takes puppies from kids?
She's a bad person, Dad. She was gonna drown them.
We'll get those puppies back.
Come on, let's go.